Welcome students. Today we are going to learn about agricultural practice which is very important, and that is adding manure or fertilizer. There are two types of nutrient supplements which farmers are adding into the soil so that they will get healthy growth of plant or a crop. They are termed as manure and fertilizer. Now the substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plant are called manure and fertilizer. They are categorized into two types, manure and fertilizer. Manure are organic compounds. They are decomposed substance from dead and decaying material. What farmers generally will do is they will dig a pit like this. They will dump all this waste plant leaves and organic matter of the animal. Then they will allow this to decompose with the help of microorganisms like bacteria. So they will decompose this substance and they will release all these nutrients which will help plant to grow. Now after this, once this manure will get ready, farmers will mix this with the soil and which will beneficial for the crop. Now why we need to add this manure or fertilizer to the soil? So there are two reasons for that. That continuous cultivation of the crops makes the soil poor in nutrients, one after other. That after Kharif crop, the Rabi crop season will come, and after that soon the Kharif crop season will come. So continuous pattern or continuous rotation of the crop will make soil poor in nutrients. That one by one all the nutrients will get used up by the plant for their growth. So to replenish the soil, farmers add manure. We have to add all those nutrients back. So that process is called replenishing of the soil. That we are adding all those nutrients back to the soil so soil can give those nutrients to plants again. And this process is known as manuring. When farmers are adding this nutrients to the soil and they are mixing with it, that process is known as manuring. Now manures are organic substance as I have explained earlier. Now the fertilizer. Fertilizers are man-made substance. They are chemical compounds and they are consisting of all those nutrients. Now the names of this fertilizer are, one of the very popular fertilizer, that is urea. Second is ammonium phosphate, and third fertilizer is known as NPK. N stands for nitrogen, P stands for phosphate, and K stands for potassium. So nitrogen, phosphate, potassium fertilizer is important for the growth of crop. Now in coming segment we are going to discuss about fertilizer and manure. We are going to see the differences and we will discuss that why manure are much more safer than the fertilizer.